Manshi Gupta, and today I'm going to review on permanent straight hair. As you can see, I have done it. So yes, today I'm going to review on it. So let's get started. First of all, I'm talking about the process, how they're done. First of all, they first of all washed my hair. They washed my hair with normal shampoo and conditioner. Then they apply a cream. I think it was the straightening cream. They apply it, and the cream was very smelly. It is very stinky. It was very stinky. I can't tell you guys. It was very stinky. So yes, after that I think they leave it for 15 minutes, and then they wrap my hair with a plastic, and they leave it for 2 hours or 1.5 hours, like that. After that, they wash my hair normally. Then they blow dry it, and they just iron my hair. Not with the normal iron, it was like steam iron. It was coming to steam. The water was boiling in that machine. It was the steam iron. And then they apply the neutralizing cream, and they leave it for 1.5 hours again, and they wash my hair. Then they blow dry it. Yes, so I'm done. That day I didn't done. It was not possible for a haircut because a lot of movement was done. So yes, so I can't apply the. I can't afford the. I can't take the risk of cutting the hair that day only. So yes, after that they told me that you cannot do anything. If your hair is like this, then you have to be like this for 1.5 days. I was like this for 1.5 days, and unfortunately I have done this straightening on the summer times. Yes, so as you know that summertime and open hair is like, oh my god, it's so hot. Girls, I know you will understand my pain. So yes, they told me that you cannot do like this. You cannot tie your hair, you cannot do nothing, and when you will sleep, you have to be very careful that your hair is straight. So I supposedly do that when I sleep. I just take my hair and just throw it back of the just end of the bed like this, so it be straight, so it always be straight, and I sleep. Yes, I have to be very careful. So yes, and they told me that 3 days, at least 3 days, you have to apply a serum. They gave me a serum. Yes, this is the serum. They gave me this L'Oreal Extenso Care. It is only for the straight hair, as you can let me. This is the serum. I don't know. It is actually white, so it is not, as you can see, but this is the serum. They told me that you have to take 2 to 3 drops of serum and just apply it on your hair for 3 days. It is compulsory for 3 days. And they told me that you cannot you have to be very careful by sweating. You cannot sweat, otherwise your hair will go. Ooh, you cannot sweat, and you have to be, you cannot wash your hair because your hair is like this. So if little bit of water gets to the hair, it will like bend. So yes, it is a very after straightening, the 1.5 days is like a nightmare. It's like, so my what is that? I don't know what to say, but I will say that when you will go for straightening, take a lot of time in your hand and then go. If you have a little bit of time, you cannot manage it. And the lifetime care, let me discuss the lifetime care. The lifetime care is you have to do every month spa. I'm so sorry, I cannot inform you the I cannot give you the name. Actually I forgot, but I will write it in the description bar, and I have ordered it, so I cannot give you the sample. So I'm so sorry for that, because I have ordered that and I have run out one from one jar. So yes, I'm very sorry for that, but and you have to shampoo your hair in week, I think 3 times or 2 times, and only use that shampoo which is given or which is recommended from your hair stylist after straightening, not the other shampoo or not your regular shampoo. My hairstylist recommend this L'Oreal Professional Paris Extenso Care. See this one, they told me this one, yes, and the conditioner is this one, same Extenso Care. It is like this is the conditioner. I'm telling you, first of all, wash your hair, apply the shampoo, and then just take your hair and just dab it like this, just press it like this, and just remove all the water. Okay, then take a little bit of conditioner and just apply it like this, massage it, leave it for 3 to 5 minutes, and then just wash it. Don't do this like this, don't, just like this, just wash it, just rinse it. Okay, don't wash it or don't rub it after that. And they told me that if you are going to curl your hair or going out in the sun, you don't need another hair heat what is that, heat protector. This is okay, this is for everything, this is for everything, everything. And yes, after that, if you're straightening your hair, please avoid the dry shampoo. It's not good for your scalp, it will not suit you. And the main thing is that the hair fall, everyone is very scared from the hair fall, but honestly I'm telling you, no much or no extra hair fall. The normal hair fall, the normal your amount of hair fall will continue, nothing else. And the food, let me discuss you about the food. No nothing, normal food, no nothing extra, normal food. Just eat a lot of cashew, almonds, and a lot of water. Yes, a lot of water. Every doctor and every doctor recommended lots of water. I don't know, hairstylist also. So yes, they recommend me to drink lots of water, and don't use the rough comb or like this. Always use the ball comb, like this. Always use the ball comb, and never start from your scalp, always from your bottom, like this, from the middle, and then you can go up. Yes, and if you are, I'm telling you, after 1.5 hours you can do anything with your hair, anything, but I will recommend you that don't tie your hair much, don't twist your hair much, because if you want that longevity of the straight hair, so please avoid these things. I mean, you can tie your hair but not very much. You just don't tie your hair, and you are studying or reading books and you're seeing that hairs are coming in your front of your books, you can just usually use the hairband like this. You can usually use this, it's very common thing. But and please avoid the like everyone do this like this, please avoid this thing. It's not good for your hair. I mean, it will decrease the longevity of the straight hair. So yeah, this is the quite things which you have to do after straightening. And supposedly straightening is not that bad. I mean, it's my first time, I don't know, it's my first time, it's my first experience. So yeah, and don't worry about the straightening, I mean hair fall. Don't get so much of tensed. Normal hair fall will continue, that's it, nothing else, nothing extra, normal hair. So yes, so yeah, this is done, I'm done. So I hope you like my video, and I will come back soon with another video. Till then, take care, bye.